This is the Tsugami BH38 with a Fanuc 31. So we're going to go over the inside of this. Turret. This is in the way. That. Again, I go over here. Just got done. Oh, here's the power. Beautiful. That helped me out.
What's it?
The light? Yeah. Thanks, Frank.
Wow.
I mean, okay, bar feed. This is the FV. Okay, let me go around the back. Let me build it. So this machine has a chiller, oil chiller. Turn the light back on. Alright, so this is behind the machine. It's a chiller, high pressure coolant. Alright, and then hopefully get a video of the machine running. So this is the BH38.